Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change background in Opera GX. So first on the left side we need to go to settings. Now in the settings we can either change themes or we can set wallpapers. So with the themes we can go light, we can go dark, etc. But if we want to change wallpaper and use a custom one, you just click there. We can either choose some recent ones or we can get more wallpapers by clicking right here. Now we need to pick one wallpaper from the site and add it to Opera. Now it is being installed, and now only we need to open a new tab to see if it works, and it's right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.